Alexa can now tell you if your washing machine stops or water is running out. That's weird.
It's a funny little update. I thought it would be like interesting.
It can tell
to talk
if your
about.
washing machine stops or water is running out.
Running.
Why would I want to know if my washing, is that a thing that happens?
Yeah. It would just remind you.
But why would my washing machine stop? Oh, because I want to know when it's done?
Yeah, when the cycle's done, and then you can just load it. Okay, so that I feel like that one's not super important. I think that the water running is more important, but it's not that important.
What water would be running?
Like your sink, and then it would automatically.
Do you leave your sink running?
Sometimes. I find it useful. Or like my sister, she had a house that literally had a flood, and
somebody left the tap running.
No, the toilet exploded.
Oh, okay.
So I feel like if she had this kind of technology, it would sense the water running, and also detecting that no one's there. That it would just kind of notify.
Yeah. So if the detection is on, like, where would the detection be installed? Because you have like flood sensors, for example, that are at the floor level, and if any water hits the floor, you get the notification.
Yeah. This would be on Alexa, the speaker.
Right, but where's the sensor?
Oh, it would be automatically listening to certain frequencies
audio.
Of water.
Wow, that's pretty cool tech.
Yeah.
Amazon introduced a feature that allowed Alexa to hear certain types of sounds. It's now called custom sound detection. Speaking of spying on you.
Exactly.
It's like listening forever. Excuse me, your shower's still on. You're like, yeah, I like to take a long shower. Leave me alone. Excuse me.
Order more.
Your house is in trouble.
Shampoo.
We'll be shutting down that shower soon. I'm just starting to enjoy this shower right now.
No.
Leave me alone. Water running and appliance beeping. Okay, cool. Well, that's a key factor is how it's doing. You don't need any external sensors or anything. I thought it was going to be smart sensors that were tapped into the Alexa ecosystem.
Oh, no.
You don't even need that. What does it use? Inaudible ultrasound wave to detect if there are people in the room. With the new routines, you can use Alexa to turn on the lights when motion is detected near the device, for instance, or lower the thermostat when no motion is detected. Damn. That's cool, man. I don't know.
Sound.
Yeah, I mean, you can tell a lot from sound if you're paying attention. You could tell a lot from sound.
Yeah.
But I don't know if it's going to help me in my basement when, like, recently I had this water treatment thing that was dealing with some of the minerals. It was like treating some of the minerals in the water, and it just exploded in the basement.
Well, yeah. The Echo Dot won't help you.
I'm like, is it going to hear even if it heard the explosion? I got too much water already, and I'm dead either way. So, but yeah,
it's not bad.